got 19 books from the Big Bad Wolf sale. Ongoing pa siya sa World Trade Center until February 24. This is Kat of Homeschooling V and Z. In this channel, we share our homeschooling journey, the materials that we use, and of course, the realities of homeschooling. So kung bago lang po kayo sa aming channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell so you'd be notified of our new videos. Okay, so ito ang mga books na nakuha ko sa Big Bad Wolf sale. Ongoing pa siya sa World Trade Center. Yeah, so I have 19 books and isa-isahin natin silang lahat. First on our list, these are vegan books. Ito, na-feature siya sa Big Bad Wolf na Facebook page. Kaya kinuha ko siya. This is the Happy Food, Fast, Fresh, Simple Vegan. It has recipes, vegan recipes. Ayan. And I got this for 350 pesos. The next one would be the Vegetarian Pantry. And this is for 480 pesos. So, yung mga books sa Big Bad Wolf sale, according to them, is 50 to 70% off. Next, we have here the Grade 5 Complete Curriculum. Tingnan natin siya. Ayan o. For reading, math, spelling, language arts, writing, and test prep. So, naghahanap ako ng ibang grades. Isa lang nakita ko talaga. Itong for Grade 5 lang. Yeah, so it says it's the complete curriculum workbook. Makapal-kapal ito. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. So later on I'll open up this complete curriculum for grade 5. And then I got this Christmas sticker activity book. Dalawa to. Asan na yung isa? Yan. To. So this is only for 40 pesos. Ito na yung pinakamurang book na nabili ko sa Big Bad Wolf. Ever since. Yeah, so 40 pesos. Sticker book siya. And may kanya-kanyang activities. Yan. So nasimula na nung dalawang kids yung book na yan. Next, we have the Gnomes Are Forever. This is a storybook. It's a pocket book. So this is for 120 pesos. We have the Math Essentials. This is for, I think, from Auburn Publishing. Autumn Publishing. Meron ako nabiling ganito sa Merriam-Webster bookstore before. I think abili ko ay 125 pesos. Pero that's for a kindergarten. This one is only for 100 pesos. So, dalawa yung kinuha ko. One for 9 plus 9-year-old and above. And another one is for early math. And this will be for my incoming kindergarten. Give you a quick look inside. May mga stickers to eh. Kaya ako natutuwa sa kanya. Ayan o, may mga stickers siya. Reward stickers. Okay. Next would be the Grade for Writing Skills. This is from, I'm not sure which, publisher. But it says here, this workbook designed to help students express themselves through written language. This is for Kuya V for grade 4. I got a coloring book. Disney coloring books, nag-range yung price eh. So this one is for 60 pesos. Interestingly, they have a National Geographic for Angry Birds. Ito, so meron siyang 50 true stories of the fed up, feathered, and furious. And sa mga anak niyo, if mahilig sila sa Angry Birds, you can get them this. It shows profiles of the famous birds from the Angry Birds game. Another activity book that I got for my 4-year-old is the Gold Stars Starting to Add. Yan. So, mayroon mga stickers din to. So, this is for 120 pesos. Yan. Support your little superstars learning and build skills at home. So this is for preschool. This is the aquatic reptiles of the dinosaur age. Yeah, so mga prehistoric animals in the sea. So this is only for 120 pesos. As requested by the Baguettes, another dinosaur book. This is the Encyclopedia of Dinosaurs and Prehistoric Life. We already have an encyclopedia by Miles Kelly, so this is a new one. It's all about dinosaurs naman and prehistoric life, and this is only for 390 pesos. Workbook for my incoming grade 4 student. This is the Leap Ahead workbooks for math, and this is only for 100 pesos. Ayan. Let's see what's inside. So, marami ako nakita iba't ibang workbooks nito eh. Okay. So, ito kailangan namin to kasi kailangan namin ng mga exercises na problem solving. Another workbook. This is for ages 7 to 9, and this is for English. So this one covers spelling tips, punctuation, place, script, story writing, nouns and adverbs, nouns, verbs, adverbs, and more. Yeah. And this workbook is for my 4-year-old, the Ladybird. I'm ready for phonics. It has stickers. Yeah, so help your child complete the activities, encouraging her to use her phonics skills. This is about phonics. And then I got her, this is actually for grade 1 just in preparation. So this is the Sight Words book by Flash Kids, only 100 pesos. So this includes the full color stickers to motivate and reward. And the last on our list is the Mark Scott, A Beginner's Guide to Coding. Have fun using Scratch and Python. So I got this for 290 pesos. Yan. So this is for coding. So those are the 19 books that we got from the Big Bad Wolf book sale at the World Trade Center last weekend. Okay, so I'll be giving you some tips para sa Big Bad Wolf sale. Okay, una-una, go there early, okay? Maraming tao kasi pagdating sa hapon at sa gabi, or you can visit them during the weekdays. Yan. Kasi 24 hours naman yung Big Bad Wolf sale, so you can go there anytime. Pag weekday, konti ang tao, but the problem is yung yung traffic no sa area, yun lang naging problem doon. Pero pag weekend naman, maraming tao, medyo puno yung parking nung Sunday kahapon. Pero kaya naman, relatively kaya naman nung mga counters na i-accommodate lahat ng customers sa sale na yun. If you're thinking of food, meron yung mga food stalls sa loob ng World Trade Center. Bawal po magpasok ng mga pagkain, ng tubig, ng food. So, meron mga available water, drinks, saka food inside the World Trade Center. Tip number 2, have a budget. Okay, kasi sobrang daming books na available doon. Ilang halls yon na na-cover ng Big Bad Wolf sale. So, super daming books. Baka maubusan kayo ng money. Kaya make sure to have a budget na naka-allot for the books that you will be buying. Next tip is prepare a list. You'll be overwhelmed sa sobrang dami ng books doon sa Big Bad Wolf sale. Pero categorize naman yung mga areas. May areas for fiction, non-fiction, for references. So, it's okay for us, mas maganda na meron ka ng list. Or if you don't have a list, at least an idea what you want to buy. Kasi super lawak ng place. Medyo matatagalan bago nyo ma-cover lahat ng area. So, if you have a list already, or if you have an idea of what kind of books would you like to buy at the sale, mas mapapabilis ang inyong pag-scan ng mga books. And the last tip is bring an eco bag. Nung couple of years ago, wala silang eco bag sa Big Bad Wolf. Plastic pa yung lalagyan ng mga books. So, ngayon, they are selling eco bags. Pero kung meron na kayong eco bag, bring your own bag na lang.
Additional tip, Since 2018, the Big Bad Wolf book sale always comes to Manila every February. So, save up na from December. Magtabi-tabi na kayo ng konti every month para meron na kayong budget for the Big Bad Wolf book sale. Kasi sayang din yung up to 90% off ng mga books.
So, how much lahat ng 19 books na na-purchase namin, okay? So, it only cost me 3,250 pesos for 19 books. So, okay na okay kasi up to 70% or I think 90% off ang Big Bad Wolf sale this year. Kaya sobrang sulit siya. Right? See, what does it?
Thank you for watching.